Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm back at Aldi. We're going to go into the store and get a week of groceries. I'm excited. It's the first week that the kids are back in school full-time since Christmas break. It's been a long 4 weeks between sickness, surgery recovery, snow days. Mom was ready for this week, and I need food to get through it. So let's go get the goods. Right when I walk in, there's no Aldi Finds items here. We'll see if we have bare Aldi Finds aisle too. Aldi's making me dig for the freeze-dried strawberries. They're $3.29 and Elsie wants them in her lunch today. My son asked me to get the turtles, $3.95. I also told my son I'd get these for his lunch. He saw the Little Debbie version, but I told him we had to wait for Aldi, $1.89. Elsie, for her lunch, has salad. She wants chocolate pudding and the dried strawberries, 99 cents for these. Garlic nuts. I was hoping for red sticker, but they don't have any. $2.89. Blueberries, not my favorite price, but $3.59. I'm getting bananas. I'm gonna start making overnight oats, and I want bananas in it. 41 cents a pound. Kiwi, $4.39 for a container. Green onion, 85 cents. Okay, I'm getting these Honeycrisp apples, $3.29. They don't have the baby carrots I was looking for, so I'm gonna get a couple of these. I'm gonna get 2 of these at 65 cents a piece. Eggs at $1.78 a dozen. $2.67 for 2% milk. My kids were not happy with whole milk last week. Yay, they have heavy cream. I need this for the homemade mac and cheese, $4.69. I'm on a butter run. I feel like we go through tub butter so quickly, but it's a staple in our house, $3.59. And I need sticks of butter, $3.69. And they have potatoes again, yay, $4.49 for 10 pounds. I'm getting 3 cans of green beans at 63 cents and 3 cans of black beans at 77 cents. And these are for my dog, but I'm gonna show you what I make for her. I make them now in 10-day portions, and it makes it easy to top her kibble. Grape tomatoes for my daughter's lunches. These ones look really petite and red and yummy. $2.19. Green peppers. I want these to put on pizza and just to snack on. $2.29. My Aldi once again doesn't have the pepperoncinis. They're so hard to find, so that's a bummer. I need more Mediterranean dressing. Elsie's having salads for lunch this week, $2.25. Kalamata olives for her salad, $2.09. I'm actually gonna buy 3 days of this. I'm gonna be trying to get more protein in my 1 meal a day that I eat. I've heard this is really good, and they only have 3 of them left, and I want to try it for at least a full month, so I need to get 3 containers. $17.49. Let's just say I hope I really like it. I just don't feel like I can try it before I buy the other ones, because if I like it and I come back and there's none, I will be bummed. But oatmeal cookies sounds like the perfect flavor to me. Okay, I need old-fashioned oats for the overnight oats, $3.95. Now, I don't have a recipe for overnight oats. I'm gonna be experimenting at first, but if I eventually have a good one to share, I'll share it with you. I'm just realizing as I'm getting this juice that I didn't put a juice box in my son's lunch. He's gonna tease me about that later. $2.79. These are really cute candles. Oh, yum. That smells literally so amazing. I love that they're in little coffee mugs. They're $4.99 a piece. They all smell really good, but that's the best one. They have these canisters that look like Rae Dunn. Barista coffee towels. What the heck? That looks amazing. I can guarantee you it probably feels amazing. $12.99. But I already live in my Aldi pajamas I got a few weeks ago. I don't need more. Oh, that looks nice. A mattress pad. We have those in all of our beds. These socks look really nice too. Leggings, fleece lined leggings. Oh. $7.99. Underwear, massage wrap, bulbs, outlet ports, thermometers, sheets, cute little bathroom accessories, $4.99. Kids' bathrooms. Under the bed storage, that's nice. I'm not seeing what I was looking for. I was looking for a wireless charging set for phone, watch, AirPods. They still have all the beautiful Valentine's things. Very festive over here. I don't remember seeing these. They may have been here last week, but look how cute. You're my sweetie pie. I'm donuts about you. $5 a piece. My daughter's getting a candle warmer. I got her a wall plug-in one for Christmas, but I have one that warms big candles and she really likes it, so that's one of her birthday presents tomorrow. And I think she'll like this gardenia scented candle, $4.49. Chia seeds. I want to put these in my overnight oats, $5.45. Evaporated milk for the homemade mac and cheese that Elsie's making, $1.19. Penne for pasta, 98 cents. They have 8 of my favorite waters here. And just in case they aren't getting more, because it looks pretty clear, I'm gonna buy all 8. I immediately put all of them in a bag and I can ring up 8 of the same one, but it's easier for self-checkout. For our homemade pizzas, and we just like this. My husband likes to snack on it. $6.49. I'm making crispy broccoli with this again. $2.45. For the pizza, I think this cheese looks pretty good. The Italian style, $2.89. I need 2 things of mozzarella for the homemade mac and cheese, $1.99 a piece. I need 2 Colbys. $1.99 a piece. And Colby Jack slices, $1.89. Our cases are quite bare and don't really have much new stuff except for down here. They have, for $15, chicken and cheese enchiladas, mac and cheese. They have different spaghetti. That actually looks pretty good to me. It has, anchovy paste. No thanks. I'm sure it tastes good. If I know it's there, I can't eat that. But look, it's pretty picked over. Getting a bag of frozen peas to go with the pasta. I'm really disappointed they don't have the yummy green beans we really like. I wanted that for this weekend. The peas are 95 cents and I'm getting 2 bags of broccoli at $1.09 a piece. Well, this is a nice surprise, but it's not that price. I don't know what the price is. The queso blanco from Clancy's. I really like to make a queso dip out of this. And actually I plan to make it for the Super Bowl, so I'm gonna buy it, but I like to buy the Clancy's instead of Velveeta because it's a better price, even though I don't know what that price is. Okay, I was already gonna make a breakfast burrito for lunch today, but I thought this would be yummy to wrap it in. The sun-dried tomato, $2.49 each. Okay, here is my cart. Stuff at the bottom. Any guesses on the total? Don't forget, I got 3 of these big guys. Okay, my total was $172.92. Now we have a Walmart pickup. Okay, so I just did my Walmart pickup. I'm going to share with you the items that I got, and I'll put the prices on the screen because I won't remember without looking it up, and I can't look up and record. I'm sure you understand. First, My daughter, these are her favorite chips, so I got her 2 bags of these for her birthday. If you know teens, you know they love snacks, so I'm putting together like a little gift basket, and it's gonna have 2 bags of her favorite chips. Flaming cheddar sour cream. I gotta get them at Walmart. They don't have them at Aldi. Also, for Elsie's pasta, she really wanted the spiral. I know Aldi doesn't always have them. I couldn't count on it, and since I had a Walmart pickup, I got the kind that she wanted so I could make sure she had them. This is a little funny, disappointing. I got decaf coffee. I get my coffee daily from Panera, and I rarely make coffee at home, which is why you don't see me buy it often. But I almost exclusively try to drink decaf now, and I needed to get decaf at home. So I just bought this from Walmart, but I got literally the most dented can in the world. I don't need fancy, but Aldi doesn't really sell much decaf, which is disappointing. Now these I got from my middle daughter because she tried buying these at Walmart the other day with her own money, and they only had the regular, and so I just thought it'd be fun to surprise her. I'll give her these, but it's a caramel Reese's. And then this is the other big reason I had to do a Walmart pickup. They're French bread to make French bread pizza. So I bought 3 of these, and you slice them in half, and then the French bread itself is treated as the crust, and you just build the pizza on it. I got an everything one. This is the one I want to build my pizza on. I got plain French baguette, or plain French bread. And this is the other one that looks really good to me, the garlic herb. Now, we have 3 loaves, so when I cut them in half, there'll be 6 pieces. I figure everyone in my family can make one. I don't think that everyone will probably eat all of theirs, but leftovers, and then everyone gets the fun of making their own. Hopefully, we don't argue over breads. And then whatever is left, I'm going to make a garlic bread, and I'll cut it into small pieces. So then we'll have like a garlic bread and pizza, and then we'll make salad. But I love Walmart's French bread, and Aldi doesn't have any French bread that's like really soft like that, and I kind of wanted the softer ones, so I had to get those. So now that I've done Aldi and Walmart, let's go see the meal plan. Okay, on the meal plan for this week, I'm going to start with today, Monday. We are having leftover soups. Last week I made 3 different soups, and we had it for 2 days. Today's going to be the 3rd day. My family's not loving it anymore, but we're going to eat it. And we need a quick, easy dinner tonight because we have a away basketball game. Tuesday, tomorrow, is my oldest daughter's birthday. She's turning 14. She's going to get to pick where we go out to eat. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be Olive Garden. Wednesday, speaking of pasta, we're having pasta, garlic knots, peas. My husband's going to get this dinner around. We have 2 open jars of sauce in the fridge. We're going to use those up. It's going to be really simple. It's a busier night for us as well. Thursday, my middle daughter Elsie has been seeing a viral homemade mac and cheese. She wants to try making it. So she has given me all the ingredients. She wants to make it. And then I'm also going to make a crispy roasted broccoli with that. I'll make some sort of a protein, probably chicken or bacon, to go with the mac and cheese. I'm not really sure. It's going to just be from my freezer. We are on Friday having French bread pizza. I've been wanting to do that for a while, and I think that'll be good. And then Saturday and Sunday, so Sunday's going to be leftovers of Saturday, I'm making chicken and dumplings. It's a copycat recipe from Cracker Barrel, but then I'm also going to make mashed potatoes. I'm going to make green beans, and I'm going to make homemade biscuits. We're going to have a big, giant chicken and dumplings, very comforting meal on Saturday, and then leftovers of it on Sunday. If you want to see the video that Elsie wants to copy, we've never tried it yet. Try at your own caution, but Elsie is excited to make this mac and cheese. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.